A beautiful day to you, wonderful scholars. You're welcome back to Divine Authoring Virtual Classroom. On Science today, we shall study light. In today's lesson, you will learn about light and its sources. You will also explore the uses of light. Please get your writing materials ready. Then find a quiet place to study in your home. You will need your maximum concentration. A quick look at the star words for today's lesson. They are optics, opaque, light, wavelengths, infrared, and transparent. Answer these questions quickly before we continue. Please pause the video in order to attempt the questions. As soon as you're ready with your answers, hit the play button to continue. Let's check our answers now. We have transparent materials, wood, and fireworks. We have some fun facts on light for you today. The study of the behavior and properties of light is known as optics. Optics is a scientific branch of physics. We see light from the sun every day. The light that we see from the sun actually left the sun 10 minutes before we see it. Interesting. The light that human beings see is only a small portion of the types of light. Animals and insects can actually see parts of the light that human eyes cannot see. Light will travel in a straight line until it hits an object that will bend it. Light is so important that we cannot do without it. Isaac Newton studied light as it hit a glass prism. He saw that light expands into 7 different colors, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These 7 different colors combine to form light. Here are some sources of light. The first one is the sun. Next, we have the moon and stars. We also have the light bulb. The flashlight is another source of light. Fireflies are also sources of light. Other sources of light are the rainbow, matchsticks, fireworks, lamps, and lasers. Some materials allow light to pass through them. Materials that allow light to pass through them are called transparent materials. For example, a glass of water and the magnifying glass. Other examples of transparent materials are clear glass, clear plastics, colorless gases like oxygen, pure water, and clear resins. Materials that do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque materials. Wood is an opaque material. Other opaque materials are stone, zinc, bricks, walls, and all objects made from these materials. Light is very useful to us. A camera uses light to take pictures. Plants make their food through sunlight, and this process is known as photosynthesis. Today we have learned that Isaac Newton studied light as it hit a glass prism. He saw that light expands into 7 different colors with the acronym ROY-GIBIV. The moon and stars are also sources of light. Materials that allow light to pass through them are called transparent materials. Materials that do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque materials. And plants make their food through sunlight. This process is known as photosynthesis. To test your comprehension of today's topic, answer these questions. Write down 2 sources of light. List 2 examples of opaque materials. What do we call materials that allow light to pass through them? What is photosynthesis? Thank you for watching today. Stay tuned for more interesting topics. See you some other time.